Here we discuss how actually we solve linear equations by a specific process called elimination by substitution. Suppose you're given two equations, linear equations, x plus y is equal to 2 and x minus y is equal to 0, and you're supposed to solve it by elimination by substitution. The steps of this method are: number one, take one of the equations and get the value of one of the variables, say x, in terms of the variable y. For example, if you have x plus y is equal to 2, the step 1 is y will be on the left side and you will have y is equal to 2 minus x. We have taken this x on the right side, and because we have taken the right side, the plus sign here has become minus sign. So that's the first step. So you have expressed the value of one of the variable, say x, in terms of variable y. What we have done is we have expressed y in terms of x, and similarly you can express x in terms of other variable y by shifting y to the right, not x. So if you do that, then x will be 2 minus y. Both are same approach. Now if you go with the second equation that you have reduced and go to the second step, the second step is substitute this value of x in the other equation, which now becomes a linear equation with only one variable, which is y. So this x that you have found here will be substituted in the second equation, and what you get therefore in the second expression is 2 minus y, which is this x, minus y is equal to 0. So that's what you have done here. And then it says find the value. The third step says find the value of y. So what we do is we open this and we get 2 minus y is equal to 0. This implies 2 is equal to 2y, minus become minus 2y, and I've taken 2 minus 2y on the right, and therefore it has become plus 2y. This gives you y is equal to 1. And this you have to substitute in the fourth step. It says substitute the value of y in one of the original equations and they get the value of x. So if this y you substitute, let's say, in second equation, then x, second equation is x minus y is equal to 0, and y is 1 here. So this means x minus 1 is equal to 0, which means x equal to 1, and this is then the corresponding x. This implies equation of this is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, which is a solution of the two equations given above. And you can easily put and see this whether it works in the two equations or not. So let's check. In the first equation you put 1 as x plus 1, which is naturally equal to 2, which is on the right side. And when I put in the second equation as 1, and this is minus and then 1, this obviously is 0. So both are getting satisfied, and therefore this equation, this solution is solution found by algebraic solution method. Method is elimination by substitution.